was raining hard outside, the type of rain that usually keeps people inside. That is why we were surprised when we heard a knock on the door. He entered in. He looked like Mr. Clean, that is, if Mr. Clean drove a pickup truck.
Gentlemen, I need your help.
Who are you, young man?
My name is Tim Searby. I'm the worship minister at Lincoln Christian Church.
Well, what can we do to help you?
Well, there's a rumor going around that in the 1850s, Alexander Campbell actually preached in the Lincoln Christian Church building.
Magnum, I'm telling you, this case has our name written all over it. We'll find your answers for you. We'll discover the truth or not. I'm telling you, we can go to the library, we can find these books, and we can get the answer to this case. This case is cracked already.
You can read?
We made a quick call for the chauffeur. He was to meet us outside. We had places we needed to be now. We dived into the books. One book after another. The clues had to be here. We just had to be smart enough to piece them together.